Jaini, how do I wear a bodycon dress? Let's decode that in 3 simple steps. A bodycon dress is something that is fitted to your body and takes the shape of the wearer. So first thing that's important is to understand the fabric. Don't buy thin fabrics. Buy a good quality bodycon dress. That way it's not going to absolutely stick to your body and show off the panty line and the bra lines and everything. A thicker fabric will help you. Number 2, if this is the very first bodycon dress that you're buying, then start by a printed bodycon dress or a textured fabric bodycon dress. A printed or a textured one will take the attention on the fabric and on the design and not so much emphasis on your body. So to start with, it's a great one. Number 3, length becomes absolutely important. Don't start with mini bodycon dresses because they ride up when you sit down. So start with a midi or a maxi bodycon dress. A midi is a great length to start with. Like I said earlier, a bodycon dress is something that sticks to your body. It is not compulsory to wear a bodycon dress. You only wear if you want to wear it and not because someone's telling you to wear it. You have to be comfortable because in a bodycon dress, your body is visible. That's the whole idea. So if you are someone who's concerned about that my midriff is going to look or my lower body is going to look or I have a heavy bust, if you fall into these categories of not currently happy with your body, then don't buy a bodycon dress. You could instead then do a straight fit dress instead of a bodycon dress. Let me know if you have any more questions.